Welcome to 2579 Valley Road in Navarre, Florida. Today I'm in the community of Holley by the Sea, just right next to Hidden Creek Golf Course. We are just one house away from the Hidden Creek Golf Course. You can see it just over there on the right side of the home. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, brand new roof just put on, all brick exterior on this home. And has a lovely feature in the backyard. I just can't wait to show you guys. So coming in to the foyer area, we have tile throughout all the main living area of the home, no carpet. Formal dining room over here on the right-hand side. Also beautiful fixtures throughout this home. All the fixtures have been updated. Flows nicely right into the main living area. As you can see, we have tray ceilings in the living room with some nice high ceilings, giving for a nice open spacious feel. First, I'm going to take you into the kitchen. As you can see, we have a breakfast nook here. Again, lovely light fixtures. Granite countertops in the kitchen here. Stainless steel appliances. And a double oven as well with an electric cooktop. All right, I'll take you into the master side of the home first. Just off the kitchen, we have the laundry over here with the utility sink and some shelving for additional storage. That leads into the garage right here. Pantry right in front of us. And into the master suite. So all the bedrooms in here have hardwood floors in the bedroom. Tray ceilings in the master, giving for a nice spacious feel. And also a separate entrance to the screened enclosed patio out there as well. I cannot wait to show you this master bathroom. It is absolutely gorgeous. We have custom cabinetry in here, beautiful granite. Some really nice wall sconces over here. Wonderful soaking tub and a gorgeous walk-in shower. Completely renovated bathroom here. We also have a water closet for privacy. And the master closet just off the bathroom here has built-in cabinetry, so tons of storage space here. I just love this bathroom. It is absolutely gorgeous. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the wonderful bonus spaces in this house. So here we have the 2 French glass doors that open up into the screened enclosed patio. Just wonderful for entertaining. Just has such a nice flow to it with these 2 French doors opening out into the outdoor space out here. Also just off the living room, we have an awesome bonus room. This would make for a great playroom, a great office, workout room, reading room, den, whatever you need the extra space for, this is perfect. Again, with the double doors that flow out into the screened enclosed patio. So nice and light and bright back here. Tons of natural light. So into the, there's 2 additional bedrooms and a bathroom over here on this side of the house. Again, wood floors in these bedrooms as well. Hardwood is in beautiful shape. Into the hall bath here. The hall bath, we have some updated, really wonderful mirrors and light fixtures as well, with a shower tub combo. And the front bedroom on the front side of the house here is a little bit larger than the last one that I just showed you. And we have one more bedroom just off the main living space in the house. This one has a French door that goes in. High ceilings in this room, giving for a nice spacious feel in here. Just make a great guest room as well. That's what they have it set up as. All right, now I'm gonna show you this wonderful backyard back here. Just so peaceful back here. And if you're not familiar with Holley by the Sea, there's some wonderful amenities. There's a community pool, there's a gym, tennis courts, deeded sound access, all sorts of perks and benefits, playgrounds for the Holley by the Sea community. So on this side of the yard, they have aluminum fencing, and the lot over here actually goes beyond the fence line here and onto the other side of this creek. It's just so peaceful back here. You can actually hear the water running from the creek. Very natural over here. So in the back corner over here, they have a nice storage set, convenient for additional storage and lawnmower and yard equipment. Beautiful blooming azaleas back here. So here we have the storage building back here. Very natural feel. Again, brand new roof on this house, gutters as well. Over here on the right side, we have some nice shady oak trees. There's also 3 varieties of plants over here that attract butterflies. So you have a nice butterfly garden over here. All that should be blooming shortly. We're just coming into spring here. We also have a double side gate here on the side of the yard for easy access as well. So let us know if you'd like to set up a private showing, or if you have anybody who'd like to see it. We'd love to get you in. This one definitely is not gonna last. It's just gorgeous and perfectly maintained. So let us know if you'd like to set up a private showing.